Hello guys, I am back with another Coach unboxing. So I have a couple of packages here and I literally just received this today. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know what's causing the delay. But these two items that I have here I am actually repurchasing it because I don't know, Coach just finally decided that they're going to continue this piece. But even having said that, this particular collection they're going to discontinue it, but I had a feeling that this just particular leather, not the style itself, but the leather, they're going to discontinue it because they are going to make something like, like a revamp of this particular piece, or they're going to change some sort of leather and stuff like that. So this has been around for quite a long time. These items are actually one of the most popular item from Coach, and I love it. It's one of my most favorite, one of the most versatile pieces that they have. The quality, the leather, the price, this is amazing. So now I'm going to turn my camera around so you guys will be able to see the items that I purchased. Okay, so let me see, which one shall I open first? So let me try to open this one, the one on my left right here. Look at they put this one in a really nice packaging. And let me undo the ribbon. See, you guys, do you have any guesses which color that I pick? And okay, I always love unboxing, guys. I don't know, I just love unboxing. Oh, very nice. Okay, so yeah, they actually put some extra cushion right there for protection. And here's the item. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I don't even know which one is which right here, but I know I actually purchased like two different colors. And okay, let me just put this aside, and then let me show you what I got. Oh wow, oh my gosh, here it is. Oh, the Cassie 19. Wow. Oh my gosh, I actually did repurchase this because, oh wow, actually they have this one was put on sale since May 31st, no, May 27. That's just for, I really thought this is just for the Memorial Day weekend, but I mean, this item has been on the website for a month now, for almost a month. So this one is actually priced really, really good. I am just totally blown away that this was on sale, because most of the time Coach rarely, not rare, but I normally don't see them put this color on sale though. So this is such a great deal, guys. Wow. I always love the Cassie 19. One of, I would definitely gonna consider this as the iconic pieces from Coach. I just love it. The glossy pebbled leather right there. Wow. Oh my gosh. So I still can't get over of how pretty this Cassie 19. I would highly recommend this. I'm not sure if this one is still available in the website. It's been a while. So yeah, I mean, let me just check. But anyway, this is what I repurchased. And oh my gosh. As you guys can see, this is the strap right here. We have one. We have the chain strap. This is my all-time favorite, and definitely worth repurchasing. So where's the top handle strap for this? I'm a little bit nervous. Right here. So this is my favorite among all the Coach purses. out there. Cassie has 3 different straps. We have the chain strap right here. I'm just going to show you the chain a little bit. And then the top handle strap, and then the cross body strap. Wow. I mean, this one is priced as 177 US dollars. That's before tax. And it's totally worth it. The craftsmanship for this is amazing. I have my very first one. I have it like a few years ago, and I still love it. I'm still using it. You could just literally use this as a crossbody top handle with a chain. You can use this as a clutch. Yeah, you have definitely a lot of uses in this, and I love that this one is compact. And this one right here has an accordion type of compartment. So we have 1, 2, and then 3 compartment, which is my favorite one is right here in the middle, which is pretty more generous. And then look at that. For 177 US dollars, guys, lined with this beautiful oxblood color fabric. And then the hardware, it's just like has a perfect amount of hardware though. Not so much hardware around it. But it's very simple, very elegant piece. Wow. So yeah, has a flap right there, and also at the back right here. This one has a slip pocket right there where I always put my phone. Beautifully structured. Wow. I mean, the leather, guys, look how beautiful the leather is. Oh my gosh. But I know that Coach, they're gonna discontinue this, not because they're not really like making this design anymore, the style anymore, but probably they want to get rid of that was just my theory. Maybe because they wanted to dress this up a little bit more, maybe change the leather, because I know that we have the most popular right now is like the cushion leather, which is made up of Napa, and also the Glovton leather. Maybe they're gonna make one of these and more of like the pillowy, the cushiony type ones. So yeah, maybe, but I doubt that they're not gonna be making this type of kind of style anymore. Maybe they discontinued this this particular leather for the Cassie 19, but not exactly the style. This style will never gets old, definitely. I love it. It's just like you got everything here. Like Coach want you to use their purses because yeah, they have given you everything from chain, the compartments and everything, plus also the prices as well. Yeah, it's highly affordable. And I mean, I was thinking of getting a few more of these as a gift, but yeah, I'm not really sure. Like Christmas is still in the next well, yeah, we're halfway of the year now. But yeah, I was really thinking of buying a few more as a gift for my family for Christmas or friends, because this is pretty. This is beautiful. Wow. Perfect gift. Perfect gift for anybody, guys. So that's the first Cassie that I have. And then the next Cassie, I am getting so excited. Oh my gosh, the next item that I have here. So do you have any guesses with the color? Oh my gosh. Okay, nicely packaged, beautifully. Yeah, this is actually, I must say, a perfect gift, because if you would request to put this one in the gift box, it would definitely gonna came in with this, plus the packaging itself. Yeah, you can't beat that, the price as well. So here comes my second item. So let me just put this aside. Okay, wow. So this particular color, actually, I rarely purchase this color from Coach for a lot of reasons, but I am gonna show you this beauty right here. And oh my gosh, it is another Cassie bag. Oh wow, the is so beautiful. The leather, can't get over it. Oh my gosh, yes, this is the Cassie 19 in chalk. Wow, lovely, beautiful. Wow, yeah guys, definitely recommend this. You shouldn't think twice adding this in your Coach collection. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Very elegant. So classy. Wow. Let's take a look at inside. Oh, the interior is actually more of like the colors in chestnut brown. Wow, beautiful. I love the contrast though. Definitely love the contrast for this. Wow, it's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, for $177. Yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. Totally worth it. Wow. This, I was trying to dissect this purse in every corner because I mentioned earlier that I normally don't buy Coach in this color, the chalk color in white, because it's prone with, I could easily spot the dirt. But yeah, I decided I only have, this is probably my third chalk in my collection. And yeah, let me see. Okay, the chain is still attached. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't see that. So this one right here, the strap, the long strap is here. The top handle strap is here. And also this, the chain strap is beautiful. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me just check the website in a little bit. See, I just really wanted to make sure if this one's still available. Okay. Okay, this color in chalk is still available on the website for $177 US. That's before tax. And then the black color, unfortunately, this one is sold out on the website, but maybe you could just visit your nearest Coach boutique. Maybe this one's still available. Maybe Saks still has it, or Macy's or Bloomingdale's, maybe they still have it. So yeah, you could just give them a call or just put this one on. You could call them and ask them to reserve this for you. I'm not really sure because I haven't really done that in a while. But yes, wow, these two are lovely. They're gorgeous. Wow. So let me just show you. See those? Oh gosh. Those shiny pebbled leather is exquisite. Lovely. So yeah, these are my two repurchased items from Coach. Very happy, very satisfied, and I will definitely gonna recommend it. So anyway, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.